we're making a delicious breakfast burrito with sausage, eggs, hot peppers, onions, and cheese. Now we'll go ahead and chop that up. Green peppers, mildly hot. Our yellow onions chopped. Green onions. And we'll go ahead and mix that in. And put that aside. Some green onions. A few spinach leaves in there. Whip it up a little bit and put it right in there. Big tortillas, put it right in the middle here. And put some of our egg. Yeah, now we're gonna just add our cheese. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to roll this up. And we'll go ahead and plate these up. Beautiful. We just gotta have a little taste. Oh yeah.